everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. This is what I say about David Roberts sunflower seeds. Now they have a couple different varieties, but this one is the roasted in the shell and salted, so this is salted. I like these. These are nice. They're nice and big size. Check it out. And the salt that's on the outside is not too coarse and it's not too salty. It's just coated just ever so right and roasted up nicely. These are nice. They didn't have the least bit of rancid taste. Sometimes you get sunflower seeds or peanuts or something. You get them home and you're like, oh man, they're almost bad. Boo. Anyway, this comes with a nice resealable bag, which helps you keep everything fresh. Now, if you're looking for them online, you can check them out at davidrobertsfood.com. I'll have it on the bottom of the screen for you. But they're a nice option. They're a really good snack. They're, high in protein. Sunflower seeds are good for you if you don't eat too much salt on them, right? Anyhow, that's it. That's all. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it. That's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.